Year 5 and 6, welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. So I need to start off with a bit of an apology because last week I filmed a whole Celebration Assembly video and I forgot to upload it to YouTube, and I only realised yesterday and then it was a little bit too late. So this week we've got a bumper Celebration Assembly with last week's certificates and this week's certificates. So if you were expecting a certificate last week in the assembly and you missed out, hopefully it will be in here today. So let's see who has been rewarded for their excellent online learning this week and last week. We'll start off with the week before this week. So these are all the Emerald certificates from the 8th to the 12th of June. Well done to the 30 children who managed to achieve Emerald certificates in that week. That's a great number. So we have Saliha, Danuji, Abna, Kathleen, Aswika, Eric, Sarah, Raisa, Ikram, Diana, Barthana, Tatsum, Mariama, Race, Anastasia, Elias, Vinaya, Zubair, Ibrahim, Ayub, Linart, Anna, Zara, Anushanth, Miria, Arishan, Baranavan, Hussein, Kyle, Zubair. Right, and that's it for that week. So well done to all of those children. You obviously did some excellent online learning. Now to this week. So this week, 35 children managed to achieve an Emerald certificate by submitting an excellent piece of online learning. Let's see who they were. Well done to Salafa, Farhad, Sebastian, Grace, Ikram, Haida, Taiba, Barthana, Ria, Eram, Igor, well done Jasmine and Burkan, Massi, Maria, Mariama, Parisa, Elias, Vinaya, Ibrahim, Ayub, Linart, Sina, well done Anna and Zara, Arzu, Zubair, Race, Anastasia, Arishan, Baranavan, Raki, Yasmin and Karim. Oh, and Yogesh, missed one at the end there. So huge well done to all of those children because that shows that your teachers have recognised you've submitted some excellent work either at home or some of those children, especially the Year 6 children and a couple of the Year 5 children in school as well. So a huge well done, and if you would like to see your name in the Celebration Assembly next week, make sure you send in your online learning to your teachers on the year group emails. Have a great weekend.